Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Betterment affiliate program for investment referrals, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with the Betterment affiliate program, start by visiting the Betterment website. Scroll down to the footer of the home page. Look for a link labeled Affiliate Program or Partnerships. Click on this link to access the affiliate program information. Read through the program details to understand the terms and conditions. Once you're familiar with the requirements, click on the Sign Up button. You will be redirected to the application form. Fill out the required fields, including your name and email address. Provide your website or other promotional platforms where you plan to share Betterment referrals. Include any relevant information about your audience and how you intend to promote Betterment. After completing the application, review all the information for accuracy. Submit your application by clicking on the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation email from Betterment regarding your application status. If approved, follow the instructions provided in the email to access your affiliate dashboard. Log into the affiliate dashboard to find your unique referral links. Take note of the promotional materials available to you. Start promoting Betterment using your referral links on your platforms. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard for updates on referrals and commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.